Good day, my fellow YouTuber followers. Today I have a brand new unboxing for you all. I will start with this package, which is not as old as some of the others. I got this from from István, from Budapest, from Hungary, and there are two full cans inside, and if I can ever open it, then I will show you what they are. Was that right? No. Am I stupid? Am I stupid again? Probably. Watch Sven opening a package 20 minutes long. Awesome content. Yeah, thank you. How the heck? Why you not easy? Is it here? What is wrong? Hi Sven, and cheers. A little message from István. One can, another can. I actually destroyed that package. I will start with this one, not with this one. And these are full cans. He is from Hungary, but the cans are not. If you watched an unboxing from his package before, which I have on my channel for sure, you know that he has a good English shop in his near. So he got me this full zero sugar re-rolled from the UK with 99 pence on the top. And now you probably know which the other can will be, if you are not stupid. But I know no one is stupid by choice. Just kidding, just kidding. We have the Killer Cooler full as well, and this was package number 1. I'm pretty happy about them. Thank you a lot, my friend. And we have another one here. That's from Portugal. It's from Alexandre Jorge Santos from Portugal. And there are empty cans inside. Good packed. And I just start with them out of nowhere. We have at first a little fail. A Rockstar Energy in carbon design, when rocks the tap, bottom opened, from Spain. Then we have bottom opened from Spain, with Rockstar tap, a Rockstar Energy, if I can get it out, because it's a little bit sticky, a punched guava in the new Big Star design with the €1 at the top, which only Spanish cans do have at the moment. And for completion wise, I have this empty, bottom opened, punched guava without the without the €1 at the top. So we go on with another bottom opened Rockstar tap, €1 original in the superior design without the carbon, and here we have it for completion without the €1, also Rockstar tap, bottom opened. And for another completion we have with Rockstar tap, bottom opened, a little fail, with €1, the carbon design. I'm pretty excited about them because I love how they look. The big new design is really great, and I thank you a lot for that, Alexandre Jorge Santos. I like that. And that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.